Buenas noches, tutor y compañeros. Mi nombre es Andrés Felipe Díaz Sánchez. Pertenezco al curso 760 de Inglés A1 de la UNAD. ¿Ya? Estoy en la Universidad de Pitalito y a continuación daré la narrativa de mi presentación y de mi rutina diaria. Hello, my name is Andrés Diaz and I am Colombian. I am 21 years old and I am a student. I can speak Spanish. I like to listen to music. Classic rock in English is my favorite. I like to swim, jog, and watch series. I hate people who mistreat animals. Watching TV, prejudice, the heat, mosquitoes, and politics. I am studying industrial engineering. I live in a small town in Huila called Garzón. It is very hot. My routine is the following. From Monday to Friday, I wake up at 7 a.m. First, I shower and brush, then breakfast at 8 a.m. I finally go to work on my motorcycle. I have lunch at 1 p.m. at my house. I immediately return to work. I get home at 7 p.m. I rest for a moment and then I take a shower. I have dinner at 8 p.m. and study until 10 p.m. I finally went to sleep. On Saturdays, I don't work. I get up later, breakfast at 10 a.m. and study until 1 p.m. Then I have lunch at 8 and nap. I do jobs from 5 to 9 p.m. I play video games at night with my friends, even though they are not around. On Sundays, I work for half a day and lunch at 2 p.m. I read 2 hours and do homework from 7 to 9 p.m. Finally, I go to sleep. I don't eat dinner on Sundays. Bien, esta ha sido mi presentación y la descripción de mi rutina diaria. Espero haber sido claro. Les deseo una feliz noche. Happy night.